Hi guys, welcome back to my channel once again. If you don't know me, if this is your first time, my name is Ama Fempoma Kwache, and this is my YouTube channel. I do everything here. I do talks, I do vlogs. Yeah. So today we are going to be doing the what's the name? Soft locks, and we are using the spring twist here. Okay. So I didn't want it plenty because I had just a few packs of this hair. So I just filled the front and the back was not that much. So you're going to fluff this hair out. You're going to stretch it until it becomes like this. Okay. Do it well, please. So you'll be using your crochet hook. There's another video for what I used for this hair, so check it out. I don't know if it could be up before this or I don't know. So use your crochet hook and then your wool. Okay, the wool is just for an extension of the hair. So if your natural hair is already long, that's fine. This is another method. Some people braid it with the hair, but I decided to just crochet it for length. Okay, so this wool decide, or this wool gives you the length. Okay, so you take your your spring twist hair and then begin to wrap it around. Please, at the base, don't do it too tight and don't do it too loose. Do it just right. And at this area is, I think it's a very delicate one. You can just remove your edges, so be careful whilst you are doing this. So yeah, just wrap it around like 3 times at the base, then you wrap it downwards. Please look carefully, watch, I beg. So yeah, see the way I'm just trying to wrap it around, overlap them. You see what I'm doing, like overlap them, yeah, and be coming down like in the downward form. Okay, that's it. This is just it. So when you get to the bottom, you do the reverse of this one, so you come up instead of down. I think when we get there, I'll give you a detailed explanation. Yay.
A pair of jeans, a shirt or two. We didn't pack as if we weren't going back. It doesn't matter if it's true. I've got a feeling love will give us what we lack. The world is waiting up. The world is waiting half a step beyond our door. Yeah. And if it's not enough, I wanna see the stuff the world has got in store. I wanna take it all in, I'm falling. The cityscape by night, wanna catch in my photos. Where you go, every corner twice as bright. They'll be my treasures forever. When I can't hold you tight, I'll see the Stockholm lights. The Stockholm lights, the Stockholm lights. Tomorrow feels a year away, like the seconds, the beginning and the end. But if in time it's yesterday, your picture's gonna bring it home to me again. The world is waiting up. The world is waiting half a step beyond our door. And if it's not enough, I wanna see the stuff the world has got in store. I wanna take it all in, I'm falling. The cityscape by night, wanna catch in my photos. Where you go, every corner twice as bright. They'll be my treasures forever. When I can't hold you tight, I'll see the Stockholm lights. The Stockholm lights, the Stockholm lights. does perfect even mean? Is there even such a thing? Ooh, can we switch up all the rules and imagine a utopia? Darling, I'm just so fed up with.
So in order to secure this lock, when you wrap it upwards, then you roll it in between your palms, like I just did. That's how to secure it. Some people use glue. It's optional. Sometimes it unravels, so you can use the glue. But if you like, you could just wrap it upwards when you're like at the bottom. Yes, like I thought I was recording it, but like I couldn't. Like it's not apparently like I didn't. I thought the phone was capturing, the camera was capturing that part. But yeah, that's it. It's so easy. If you need any explanation, let me know. If you want me to do this video again, let me know. Please subscribe if you are new and share my videos. Okay, I think that will be it. Wait for the transformation. Bye guys, I'll see you in my next video. Please watch my other videos. Bye.
Yeah, I've discussed it with myself, and I'm disgusted with the way we're told to have a certain face, a certain weight because we aren't pixels on a screen. No, we're human, we breathe. Every single thing we see curated, it's overrated. These expectations, they keep weighing me down. My heart is begging me to get the hell out of my head. I'm gonna live inside the upside down for a minute and pretend, honey, I'm a perfect 10. Whoa, honey, I'm a perfect 10. Whoa, and if I say it enough, it gets ingrained in my head, and I start to think, honey, I'm a perfect 10. Honey, I'm a perfect 10. Whoa, honey, I'm a perfect 10. Honey, I'm a, yeah. What does perfect even mean? Is there even such a thing?